Welcome to our YouTube video on how to change broadcast wallpaper dimming on WhatsApp. In this full guide, we will show you the simple steps to customize the wallpaper dimming for your WhatsApp broadcast. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your broadcast. Locate the broadcast chat you want to customize and tap on it to open the chat. Step 3. Tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. On the top right corner of the screen, you will see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to access more options. Step 4. Tap Wallpaper. From the options that appear, select Wallpaper to access the wallpaper settings. Step 5. Under Wallpaper Dimming, you can change the dimming. Within the wallpaper settings, look for the option labeled Wallpaper Dimming. Tap on it to adjust the dimming level according to your preference. By following these easy steps, you can personalize the wallpaper dimming for your WhatsApp broadcast. Now, let's dive into the details and make your broadcast chat even more visually appealing.